Hey everyone, thanks for watching. In today's video, I will be showing y'all how to make this inexpensive DIY plant holder. We have kind of gotten a little out of hand with our plants lately, and I wanted to find a way to use more of the vertical space since we were using a lot of the ground space. I found that this DIY would be perfect to stack up all your potted plants. You can make it whatever size and height that you would like. The first thing you'll need is a sheet of plywood. As far as the size of the plywood, it can be whatever size that you would like or need for your plants, but as far as the width, you should at least get a 1/2 inch or larger. I think the one I used was 3/4 of an inch. That way when you put your plants on the wood, it isn't too, what's it called where it goes like this? Warp. It won't bend or break, and it will be able to hold the weight. So I just took a piece of plywood I already had at home and I just cut it right down the center. I will leave links down below for the supplies that I used in case you were interested. This part is optional, but if you wanted to paint yours, you can go ahead and do that step now. I chose to paint mine white, and you can use spray paint, wood stain, you can use a finish on top, whatever you would like for the finish and the color of your wood. This is all definitely up to you. I ended up doing 2 coats total. Now I am just going to stack up the cinder blocks and the wood. So I'm first going to put 2 cinder blocks on either end, 1 piece of the wood, 2 more cinder blocks, and then another piece. I ended up putting the cinder blocks vertically. That way there was just a lot more space in the middle shelf. If you did put it sideways, then it would end up making the shelf a lot shorter. You can also glue down the wood if you wanted to. I honestly don't even know what type of glue would be strong enough for this, so that part's up to you. It is super secure, so I don't see any issues with it falling over or anything like that. I recommend keeping the top shelf clear. That way you can use the top to work on, whether it be to plant your plants or whatever you need to do. You will have that space, and it is standing height, so I think that that's perfect. I do have my gardening tools right here on the bottom. That way they still are close by, but they are hidden away. And if you didn't want to invest in new pots, you can just take some spray paint color of your choice and spray paint the pot. This way you don't have to buy any new ones, but you can spray paint them all to match. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.
There's a lizard eating a wasp. What are you making?